welcome again to another exciting video sponsored by goldminearoma. This is Cereal Gold. Told you where food always comes exciting, you know. Guys, for your info, if you have not watched the previous video, because this is a continuation of the first part. Is the second part of the video where we're teaching you about all shades and types of pies, you know. So kindly watch the previous video so that you can transcend into this second video, you know. Today's the second video is just about, today is all about meat pies. So we have our mix ready. The dough is mixed. So we have all the details. In the first video, we have our minced meat ready, which is the fillings. So today we are just going to roll and bake. Let's roll the meat pie today. Just capture around. It's in this. You did.
What I'm saying.
Hey guys, done and dusted. Very nice one, you know. This is bacon, this is fried. This fried one is actually very crunchy, you know. You know, you don't need to rub any eggs, you don't need to rub any eggs on it before you fry it on the like. You saw the steps and how it takes. Very nice and very crunchy, and this is the baked one, you know. Guys, please kindly comment, like, and share, and push the notification button so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be first to be notified. Thank you and bye.